My name is Lia Herliana, and today we will be reading I Am a Scarecrow, written by Lia Herliana and illustrated by Odilia Stevannie. I am a scarecrow. I live in a beautiful green rice field. I often see farmers working. They hoe, plow, make trenches, and fix dikes. Look, they are starting to plant rice in the paddy fields. The farmers plant while moving backwards. The warm sunlight and the loose soil makes the paddy fertile. The rice will keep growing and growing. I'm happy to see the rice grow perfectly. But sometimes there are uninvited guests. Time for me to work. Shoo, shoo! Ding dong, ding dong! I am often alone, but never lonely. It's been 100 days. I've been waiting for this time to come. Harvesting. Cut the rice, dry the rice, thresh the rice, pound the rice. Everyone is happy. So am I. Now, the farmers take their yield to market. It's finally time to rest. Tomorrow morning, I will be on duty again. I'm happy to live here.